Hey my babe subscribers, so this is part 2 of the unboxing of Babebox. So this is their social media. You can reach them on the social media, and so I'm going to show you the palette. So this is the palette that came. It has a little brush, and so these are the colors. Let's see. These are the colors. Very pretty, okay. And that's what the palette looks like, and it's like a little case and everything. So it came with that. And then it has the face mask. This is the face mask. Okay. So that's 2. And then it also has a little brush. 3 is cute. And then we have the lip crown in the color 5. And it looks like this. So it looks like this. So it looks like this. Ooh, that's very pretty. Very pretty. Like red. Very bright. I love that. I like that. These are all the prices. And then, so let's see. The last thing we have is this, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up if you like this video. And don't forget to leave me a comment below and let me know how your day's going. What you got planned for the weekend. Let's see. This is like so packaged. Like I can't even open it up. Yeah, I can't even open it. Oh my gosh. This is so packaged. There we go. Let's see. Okay, this is the mascara. This is the mascara. So it looks like this. Bomb lashes. That's pretty. And this is the wand looks like. Nice little wand. Okay, so that's everything that came in the box. So that's everything. And then we have the